Good morning, friends, and once again, heartiest welcome to another session on financial statement analysis. I'm sure you would recollect in our last session, we spoke about what is purpose of financial statements and what are the financial statements and how the financial statement analysis is carried out. In that session, we understood that पूरी दुनिया में अगर आपको किसी कंपनी के बारे में जानकारी हासिल करनी है, किसी कंपनी के बारे में कोई डिसीजन लेना है, किसी कंपनी में आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है या किसी कंपनी के टेक ओवर में आपको इंटरेस्ट है या किसी भी तरह का आपको किसी कंपनी में इंटरेस्ट है, तो there are 8 different angles from which we have to look at that company, and those 8 different angles are: number 1 is profitability and performance of that business, number 2 is the liquidity, number 3 is the solvency, number 4 is efficiency in utilization of fixed assets, number 5 is efficiency and effectiveness in working capital management of that business, number 6 is financial leverage, that means financial risk of that business, number 7 valuation. So ultimately, all said and done, whenever you are interested in any company, you need to figure out as to what should be the value of this business. That is what we need to need to understand. And finally, of course, the overall profitability, the real profitability of a business we need to find out. And how do we find out the real profitability of a business? And that is what we do with the help of finding out economic value added. In our last session, we looked at profitability, profitability from the perspective of sales, profitability from the perspective of capital providers, and profitability from the perspective of efficiency in generating return from the investments that we have made in the business. Then we looked at the liquidity of a business, and we also looked at the solvency of the business. So in our last session, we analyzed a business, or we found out how to analyze a business from the perspective of profitability, from the perspective of liquidity, and from the perspective of solvency. आज इस सेशन में हम लोग बाकी के जो 8 एंगल्स हैं उन एंगल्स से किस तरह से कंपनी को एनालाइज किया जाता है उसको समझ के लेंगे। उम्मीद है आपको पहला वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। आपको पहला वीडियो कैसा लगा आप उसके बारे में हमें अवश्य बताएं। ये वीडियो आपको कैसा लग रहा है उसके बारे में भी अवश्य बताएं, और आगे भी जो हम वीडियोस आपके साथ में शेयर करेंगे उनके बारे में भी अवश्य बताएं। तो अब इसके बाद हम अगले टॉपिक को कवर करेंगे, एंड दैट इज़ किस तरह से मालूम करें कि एक बिज़नेस अपनी एसेट्स का यूटिलाइजेशन कितने एफिशिएंटली कर रहा है। थैंक यू।